starting well before even APSCHE has told from when will the embedded system course start. We will send to you in the groups when each course starts. Few of the courses are starting tomorrow, few day after tomorrow, like that every day. Courses are starting. Your embedded system course we will soon tell you. Okay, but everything will be starting in a week. Python course. Govind, this also we will be explaining to you, sending the entire timetable of which course starts which day in the list. In your WhatsApp groups, we will be sending. Duration of internship, usually it's 4 months. And but in case some of the students want a certificate early actually, because their college wants or their college is closing, or they have certain particular dates, according to your dates, according to what AppSheet tells us, or your own college dates, we will be closing your internship and also giving you a certificate. Harijyotsna, what's the purpose of this exam? After this exam, you will be getting a report of your skills, of how good you are with your programming. What are your strength areas? What are your weak areas? On what you have to focus, because you're all fourth years. Most of them might not have got their career started yet. They must be looking for jobs and preparing for campus placements. So this will be a great help to identify your strengths and weaknesses. AI for electrical. So all the students who have come, artificial intelligence for electrical, or artificial intelligence for botany, or artificial intelligence for zoology, anything like that, if you have come, then what will happen is you will be having artificial intelligence class. And in artificial intelligence class, they will be explaining to you all the basics and foundations of AI, what algorithms artificial intelligence uses, how does it work, neural networks, how does it work, how does it use data for artificial intelligence, all this they'll explain. And for every student in this program of Blackbucks, there will be one project. Okay, so in this project, you will choose electrical specific project where you will see the application of artificial intelligence for electrical. All right. But all the students here who have joined today, definitely you will, some point of time, you will have to learn artificial intelligence, because at this, we are at a juncture where we will be looking forward to what the future will be like. Say there was at a juncture where internet was just introduced or computer was just introduced. That is a point of time when people don't know how the future will use internet. So exactly, we are in the same place. How the future will use artificial intelligence, we do not know at this moment. Large language models are getting widely, they are the most hottest topic. Today, anybody can type what is the latest news related to large language models. Latest one competing with ChatGPT has come. Yeah, Sasidhar type, Tarak, Sasidhar, both of them type DeepSeek. DeepSeek has come up with really very good language model. It's answering very well compared to ChatGPT and Gemini. That is what we see. But it is reducing the cost of LLMs for ChatGPT is 100 rupees. Say these people are doing it for 5 rupees. They have reduced the cost by 95%. So that is one of the greatest thing that has happened. So there is a saying in Telangana, I just read it in the Facebook, somebody has mentioned that, తాడిని తంతే తలదన్నే వాడుంటాడు, something like that. So it is like that. So there is somebody else. Unfortunately, none of us from India have been doing anything related to artificial intelligence, but countries are competing so much. All the future is going to be artificial intelligence. If you belong to AI stream, then learn it very well, because the future is going to be that. And also, don't worry if you have taken full stack, then also don't worry, because for immediate job, you will need full stack. Then I get the access for long-term internship, TaPTaP in LMS. So, Krish, what is the problem? How can I get access for long-term internship, TaPTaP in LMS portal? Hemant sir, who is there now, he will show you how to access into it. Let me answer general questions. Then accessing, logging in, he will show. What's generally taught in the AI in drug discovery course? So, Vinita, as I said, explained just now, hopefully I have answered your question. AI in drug discovery and everything related to artificial intelligence. First, you will learn general artificial intelligence related technology, algorithms, how you will implement. You will learn a little bit of Python on how to implement certain libraries of Python. All this you will know. And then you will do a project in drug discovery. How frequently do we have to take employability test? Vinita, we will give you every month one test. But at the moment, you can complete one to establish your foundation. Okay, I'm here. Then after learning, where are you? We will see. But first thing you learn first, later on, we will see whether you must be very busy, probably preparing to go to higher education to US or you're already got job, so you're not interested. We'll see later, but the first one you take. Okay, login error. Hemant sir will show about the error. Login error again, Yagnesh and Harsha Vardhan. Hemant sir will show you. Tarak, when the course is started, Python full, when the course will be started. Om Prakash, as I said, we will post the calendar in the group. VLSA course also. All the dates questions, keep it with you because tomorrow they will be posting the entire calendar of which course starts on which day. Mastering AI and machine learning is not found in APSCHE portal. Lokeshwar, don't worry about it. Choose anything there because APSCHE, I mean, like, are not yet ready to approve yours. Also, it is not. So it has lots of problems at the moment. So you will get your certificate in mastering artificial intelligence and machine learning. So do not worry, Lokeshwar. Is classes will happen every day, ma'am, or is there particular? So day after day, one day you will have class, one day you will have exercises which you will have to complete. Then again you will have a class. So day after day it will be have you will be having classes. Are the classes live sessions? Yes, Tarak. Every all the classes are live. Okay, so Ganesh, I'm skipping that question because I told you already. Dates will be posted in the group. They are saying zero enrolled courses. Yeah, you have to enroll. We'll tell you what to enroll. They'll send you course link also. Then you have to enroll in it. And then you will start your course. For now, you access TaPTaP only take the assessment or the assignment given by the team. If they say complete this, please complete that. When will Python program? Okay, that's a date question again. So when will Chat GPT engine? That also date question. Date question. Thanks. First time registering the course, it shows payment is for successful. First time in the mail, it shows in case money will be debited. Okay, your payment is Deepthi. If you have paid twice, then no question about it. They will return. Just text to the not here. Here nobody will rectify it now. So you have to mail so that somebody will take it up and process your fee. Okay, if you have paid twice, then they will give it back. So don't worry about it. Okay, so see the true China-based LLM destroyed US market. They didn't destroy it. I think this is still people will use different things. Gemini is there, ChatGPT is there, Copilot is there. All the three are being used. So it depends on who likes what. And I think nobody will be destroyed. It's all, see, they are saying for Nvidia, $50 billion destroyed. It is nothing like that. It is just market. Tomorrow, 50 billion will be added. It is just market. That means share value has gone down. Share value will again increase. Real money is not destroyed. So don't worry about it, Sasidhar. Cybersecurity related internship will start, Abhishek, and really good professors are there for your cybersecurity course, and everything will be practical. You will learn lot of things. So the you might have seen the syllabus already. They will share the syllabus also if you haven't seen the syllabus. Rajesh Reddy, who you are asking, Rajesh Reddy, if you are getting job or not, how will I know? Here we will train you so very well, not only just in the course that you have chosen, we also, as you know already, they have given an employability assessment. So they'll give you employability assessment, certain mock interviews, certain webinars. They will give you certain tests related to company. They will help you in every possible way, Rajesh. I don't know if they do it anyway for any other internship, but here every step is taken to make sure the student learns perfectly well, and we will give all the things needed for you to attend your campus placements or interviews or anything. Everything we will help you to do, but after that it is in your hands, Rajesh Reddy. Yes, Tarak, courses are live. We had to complete the APSCHE course. So can I use the certificate there? Yes. This is APSCHE approved course. APSCHE has approved Blackbucks as their partner. So in this you can submit in your college for APSCHE course. Which college are you? Somebody has written to me. Can I complete the APSCHE course and submit certificate? Which college are you? Can you type to me? Timings of the class. Hi Hemant, what are the timings of the class every day? 6:30 or 7? What's the time?
It's 6:30. Hello.
6:30. Okay,
Yeah.
every day it's 6:30. How to start digital marketing? Okay, there is a class. Classes will start for digital marketing. Don't worry about it. What what takes place in this long-term internship? So, Dhruv, actually, the actual class, actual onboarding session or session is tomorrow, where we'll be explaining all the number of hours. So, for this activity this many hours, this activity this many hours. So for everything will explain you entire course tomorrow, Dhruv. Today is a session for your question and answers related to logging in, because people were given employability assessment and some people had issues with the login and taking assessment. For that purpose, today class is just for that purpose. Tomorrow we'll be explaining to you entirely on what takes place in the long term internship. Okay. Will you provide any tools for VLSI? Not sure I understand that question, Ignish, because I'm not a VLSI thing. VLSI, I don't know. I'm not a VLSI person. My name is Anuradha Tota, and I worked with Microsoft, Wipro, and then Satyam. I started with Satyam, which is now Tech Mahindra. I worked mostly in US and UK before I started this firm called Blackbucks 12 years back. Okay, so VLSI, I know a little bit less, but we'll take this question and answer you in the group. I don't know what tolls is. What is tolls? Okay, anyway, any one of the class. Okay, if you miss any class, then you will be given a recorded version. There is a lesson plan created in TaPTaP. You will be given link of that lesson plan, and every day, day one class exercises, day two class exercises. Like that, you will get in a very structured way. Any class you have missed, you will be able to see that. But I would say one thing in recorded classes is there is no accountability. Once a person starts understanding and getting used to recorded classes, he will slowly lose interest in the course and will never complete it. That is what we have seen. So you have to attend the class on time every day, listen to it, complete your exercises if you have to learn properly. In the same way, if you, after your BTech, if you go out, people will charge 30 to 40,000 for the similar course. We will explain to you, we will do it so very well for you for just this. Whatever amount you have paid, for that amount we will be giving something which is very valuable. Usually people will pay 30,000 and so for such a learning, such classes. So do not rely on those pending sessions. Once you think there is a session recorded, I can go it somewhere. Why not go to YouTube? You will be having lot of other videos also. Why are you in this class? Because this is a class, you have to attend it. Only then you will also have accountability structure in your mind so that you will complete. Otherwise, no use. Whoever your name is, just yes, but please make sure you attend. If there is one or two emergency that you can't attend, then leave it. Okay. I don't know what the question, Subramaniam. APLMS means actually we are connected to APSCHE. We are APSCHE approved. You will can submit into the college. Other than that, I don't know what is APLMS. You can ask once again the same question in a detailed way, but I'm not sure what it is. We selected agriculture crop production, but in domain we select in botany. Why? Because agriculture is not mentioned is a problem. So agriculture crop production, exactly same thing. We don't have Harijyotsna. What we have is for botany, AI for botany. I think there is a goof up in AppShape portal. Why it shows like that, I don't know. But we have something called AI for botany. That's what we will be able to do as part of this course. So do not worry. AI for botany is very important when you move uh, into this new world, post AI world. You will definitely need to use AI for various things. Say, for example, if you're botany person, you can find out an AI case where you will find out how you will find out disease in a leaf. So things like that, how you use technology to find out botany related problems. That's what you will learn here, Harijyotsna. Type to me if that's interesting to you. Okay, somebody is asking one question. Hemant, please note down all questions related to login and please answer them. So somebody's question is the previous email he has logged in, or she, I do not know because it's just a number, or he. Okay, he has logged in with a previous email. Now in short term internship, can I? So you can use the same one actually. You have a number 2222. So you can use the same one from short term internship to long term internship. You can use the same login. Tarak, what is TaPTaP LMS? That's what Hemant will show you now. That's what you will use during this internship. There is a learning management system. How you learn your videos and then exercises, assessments, everything will be managed in this portal. Okay, that is what is TaPTaP LMS. If you want to change your domain, please mail. Okay, there is a big question here from Charan Kumar Hemant. He has been pinging me also in WhatsApp. So please help him with this question. The class is for 1.5 hours to 2 hours, Sandeep. The assessment link they have posted in the groups, probably they will repost. If you do not have the assessment, somebody is saying, where do we take the assessment? Please post the link once again, team. Ram and other team members, please post the assessment link in the groups. If WhatsApp group is full, they will give you another WhatsApp group. So don't worry about it. Please mail, they will send another WhatsApp group. You can change your domain, yes. What is the eligible criteria to receive the internship certificate? Yes, attendance is one of the criteria. Completion of your exercises is one criteria. And if you are not able to do all these things, then just mail us. We will see what we can do for you, Niharika. Exam will write, don't showing Blackbucks profile. I didn't understand, Bhargav, your question. Sorry, much time the class will take place. Class will take place 1.5 to 2 hours, depending on your questions. After internship, projects need to do alone or you will make batches. We will make batches, Srinath. What about embedded systems? Course is good. Yes, course will be very good. The person who teaches is works for IIT Hyderabad. Okay, he is very knowledgeable. It is depends on you how much you are learning. TaPTaP link is not given. Once again, they will post TaPTaP link for your assessment in the groups if you haven't got the link yet. What about Python programming course? Python programming course will start. No issues about it. What is your question? It will start, and as I said, the dates will be given very, very soon. After internship, projects need to do alone, or you will make batches for project. Batches. Batches, how to achieve placements. Vamsi Krishna, tomorrow I'll talk about it this in more detail, but prepare very well for your college placements if you are getting placements onto your college placement drives, because outside it is very difficult, especially because of artificial intelligence. Number of people required in the industry has gone down really, really very low. It is difficult outside. People will call you to places and then you just do courses after courses, but it is very difficult. It is best to utilize your college related placement drives. Learn very well, prepare very well for that. Outside, it is little difficult these days. Vinita, one test is enough. Do not worry about it. Which time started classes tomorrow? Same time, 6:30. Do we need laptop mandatory? Why don't you do it at college? Yes, because you are doing a coding internship, and if you do not have a laptop, how will you learn? It is very difficult to learn. It is like I'll just listen to music and I'll become Devi Sri Prasad. It doesn't it is not like that. You'll have to practice, right, coding. So you should have, if you don't have laptop, please join your friend and do work together, or you do next day in college. But laptop is working is compulsory. Laptop is not compulsory, but practicing is compulsory. After internship, projects need to be do alone, or you will make batches. And also you will be having mentors. Mentors will help you complete that project. Yes, Sarvani, your intern project also is there, especially in Blackbucks related internships. That is the special benefit of Blackbucks, that you will have project. Then you will also have so many things, right? Employability assessments, preparation for placements. So many things we will add for your benefit. But project is biggest benefit. Otherwise, you will have to again spend money on it. March 5th is semester last day. You will get, so don't worry. We will not impact your graduation at any cost. You will get certificate on the required day. After internship, the projects need to do alone. Okay, again, same. Okay, somebody from CMR University. I don't remember the question now. You have written CMR University. Okay, I'm glad CMR University is from Bangalore, I think. CMR group is there, but CMR University is in Bangalore, I think. I don't remember the question now, Tarak. So, Swarnanda College. Okay. After internship, the projects need to do alone, or you will make batches. Okay, map WhatsApp group is full. Join that group. So just mail if you are facing any trouble related to WhatsApp group. They will give you another link for WhatsApp group. After internship, the projects need to do alone. Okay, same question. I want to change my domain. Please mail. Is attendance taken on which premises? Okay, people. So the Zoom which you are in today, it is a premium Zoom. It will automatically take a list of all the students who have attended this. That's one thing. And second thing, there will be a quiz at the end of each session. If you answer the quiz, you will get your attendance. After completion of internship, will you provide the job opportunity? Difficult. All students can ask this question, but you spent 4 years in your college, right? You spent 4 years, you are spending not even 4 months, just 800 rupees or 600 rupees or whatever, I don't know. You are spending only that much, 850, I think. So, uh, job opportunity, we will try, we will help you. We will help you prepare for it, that is for sure. Duration for each classes. What's the duration for each class? I said 1.5 to 2 hours, starting from 6:30 p.m. So, as I said, agriculture crop production, no. That's not the title. It is AI for botany. That class also, when it will start, we will post in the group. After internships, the tomorrow you'll get the calendar of each course when it will start. So whoever is coming from AI for triple E, AI for ECE, AI for botany, you will have to go through normal AI course first. Then when the project starts, it will be crop production or AI for botany or AI for triple E. Those projects come for you. Okay, Vamsi Krishna, please type your question. You raised your hand. If there is any question, please type. After internship, the projects need to do alone or you will make batches for project. Same question. Can you explain the steps in TaPTaP? Yes, he will explain them. I want to change the domain from so whoever wants to change the domain, please send a mail. When does AIML class going to start? Timeline questions. I said they will give you a calendar tomorrow in your WhatsApp groups. BSale, very good that you have taken employability test. You might have seen your results. Based on that, try to prepare for your upcoming placements. It is important for you to know where you stand and for us also to understand what is your level of understanding when we teach the classes. We can understand what is your level of understanding. Attempted test and completed 3 rounds, but it shows like retry the second round. Probably there's some problem. Why don't you please retry, Vaidurya? Interested, Harijot. Does marks or points will reduce if we didn't write the test? Okay, so they will give you not marks or points, they will give you grading. Like they'll give you your outstanding or satisfactory or needs improvement if you're really bad. Okay. In TaPTaP, it is showing old short-term internship also and details. New one is not available. How to access? Ram, can you see this question that short-term internship employability score is already there? New one is not available for some reason. Can you resend the new one once again? And Vivo, if you are not able to still access a new one, please send a mail. Okay. Or also, because Vivo, you already did short term, in TaPTaP, there is help desk in the end, in the sidebar, in the end, there is help desk, raise a ticket there. That also they will close. Okay, changing domain also, please put messages. Yeah, you can do Krishna, whatever. Please just complete as soon as possible because we will also submit your list to APSCHE, and after that, it is very difficult to change your domain. So, today or tomorrow, whatever you want to do, please do. Long term internship is done in group. Okay, I told you already, yes, it is in group. Classes are going to start, but I didn't receive any message. Kavistri classes are going to start 29th for AIML. Rest of the people, they will send a calendar, as I said, when each of the classes will start. On tomorrow, AIML classes are going to start. Changes to your domain, please mail. But why do you want to change? Why don't you decide in the first hand what is good for you? Why do you want to keep changing? Somebody has changed MATLAB to VLSA, then again to MATLAB. Krishna, just learn something. Where do we give assessment? Assessment link they will send Balraju. In your WhatsApp group they will post. If you didn't receive yet, probably you didn't see that. Again they will post. Please have a look at it and complete your assessment. It should not give you any login error, Harshavardhan, because it won't recognize this is Harshavardhan. It will just recognize there is a new login. With new login, you should start your journey once again. It should not give error. Please try once again with your new login or new Gmail ID. You should not get error. If you get an error, you send a mail or in the help desk raise a ticket. Okay. Not sure, Pavan Kumar. Depends on your login on your specialization. Some are very popular, some are not very popular. So depends on which one you chose, the batch size. What about AI for economics course? Okay, that's very interesting, Yashaswini. The AI for economics also will start, as I told once again. AI for economics or AI for botany or AI for electric. Everything you will have to go through entire AI course, and there will be a special project that will help you complete that domain related project in AI. Okay. Yes. So don't worry, everything will be taught from scratch. So if even if you're first year, you will be able to pick up. So don't worry about it. Stipend internships you will get when you are very good at it. Say for that also we will be posting stipend internships in TaPTaP. There is a job section. We will be posting, and when we post, we will let you know also. If you are very good at it, it is competitive among all the students. If you are performing well, you will get a stipend internship. Yes, Tarak, syllabus will be provided. Ram, can you give syllabus to them in the WhatsApp group? Please post syllabus also. Where do we take the assessment? I told that already. I changed my domain. Okay. Why are you repeating, guys? ఓకే తారక్ నువ్వు పెట్టిన కాసుకి అట్లీస్ట్ 2 times అన్న ఇవ్వాలని మా ఇష్టం ఓకే 2 times కాదు as I said this one how we teach is equivalent to some 30,000 course. I'm registering. I registered full. One simple thing I tell is to all my team and everyone I can tell this is if I don't recommend this course to my son, then I won't recommend to any student. Like that only I will teach. Okay. While I'm registering full stack. So full stack with Python, full stack with Java has some overlap between both because HTML, CSS, JavaScript or SQL, these classes will be same. Python and Java will be different. Okay. You can Akhil please send mail. You can change from BLS cybersecurity to embedded. Please send mail. For assessment, they will post a link in your groups. Where see the embedded system and IoT assignment. For you also project you will have to buy Sivakumar, as you know. For project for embedded system or IoT, they will explain to you entire thing or get your project done online, but you will have to buy the required equipment for IoT assignment. Can change internship from, yes, you can change. I can't say employee when I log into TaPTaP where I cannot complete any test. So it is difficult. It is an ocean. TaPTaP has so many things. So you will have to click on the link that our guys have given in your WhatsApp group. It will directly take you to the test. Okay. If you missed it while logging in, if you missed going to the test, go back to WhatsApp group. After logging in, click on that test. It will directly take you the test. That way it is easy instead of searching. I think 4 to 5 people will be grouped, Saika Reddy. Internships will start, dates will be given. Snehalata, or I can see Snehalata. Internships started will be given. Tomorrow AIML classes are starting. Hemant, you can change. What can we do? Because APSCHE has not given us time. They have given 31st as last date for students to register. So even then we are starting classes on 29th itself. If there are no calendar months, what can we do? I can't add one more month in between. I'm not God. So I cannot do much about it, Akanksha. So we have to start probably on 1st February. We are starting a little bit early, but if your college says complete it by 31st March, we'll complete by 31st March. If they give time till 30th April, we can complete on 30th April. So depends on, it is government, Akanksha. We can't do much about it. Vamsi Krishna Reddy, AI is for all streams we have. So you, if you, whatever, I don't know what your domain is, AI for that domain also we can teach you. Niharika, AI ML is good for the future. Okay. For your current job, you have to learn one technology like Python, learn it very well, or Java, learn it very well. One coding language you learn very well. That is required for placements. For future is artificial intelligence. For now, for your current placement, you have to learn full stack or one technology completely. Yes, Akanksha, you can get. Yes, aptitude classes are also there. Yes, everything will be taught from scratch. Internship certificate is definitely useful for placement, but they will ask you questions related to internship. What did you learn? What did you do? Actually, internship is what you have to do. So they'll ask you what did you, that's why we added project. They will ask questions about what project did they ask you to do? How did you do? What problems you got? So really do, then only it will be useful for placement. Otherwise, it won't be useful for placement. Retry the assessment, Vaidurya. They will, I don't know. Usually they can set it, reset it. That means only one time you can take that assessment. But if you say some problem I was not able to do, they will again reset it and again you can take it. So if you have a problem, send a mail or on TaPTaP down, you will have help desk. In that, raise a query. They will help you by resetting your test once again. And students, all of you, I'll tell you one very, very, very important thing. With whatever you start, Gmail ID or email ID, whatever you start, continue with it. Otherwise, your attendance will be gone. Your assessments will be gone. And we can't do much about it. Don't change your phone number, email ID. Always continue with that. Do not change. This is most important thing you will have to remember. Your attendance will be lost. Your assessment marks will be lost. Ram, you have to answer a query from Krishna. He's asking MATLAB course is not shown in APSCHE portal. Can you look into it? I can't answer it right now. Krishna, please send a mail. We'll answer to it. Oh, 6 months duration. Yamini is probably not allowed. APSCHE has asked us to do it as 4 months. Just mail. We will look into possibility and get back to you. Mail me, mail to the general mail ID. Please mail, and I'll get back to you on that. What is the mail ID? Contact@blackbucks.me. Dikshita. Having one assessment and your marks in the profile is what we need, because if somebody is some recruiter is coming to TaPTaP to check students profiles, we and you have to apply it, we will allow only for people who have a score, employability score. So you have to take an assessment so that if there is any recruiter coming to the TaPTaP portal for recruitment, they will check the scores and we will shortlist based on course on scores. So take it a little bit seriously. If you are looking, even this will help you for placements. Have a score. You can even mention in your resume. As I said, Subramaniam, TaPTaP matters. One test you take to be able to have a employability score. After that, then your wish. Okay, for date questions, as I said, we will post the dates in the group. Which domain are you going? Okay, yes, as I said, they will send you the test link. You click on it. Otherwise, it is so big, you will be lost. looking at all the tests and courses. Yes, somebody is asking 12th April, you will get before that your internship certificate. Okay, Kavya, that must be a mistake. Please join tomorrow. But in your WhatsApp group, please see anything related to AI, ML, data science, or big data. Please join the class. Okay, so the team has put the form for changing your domain. Please fill that. How to start? CMR, what is CMR? I don't know. Digital marketing, they are giving you. No, Venkatesh, UI UX course design hasn't started. There will be certain overlap, and then there will be again you will separate. Then there will be overlap. Just follow how they are given WhatsApp. When the Chat GPT and GenAI classes are going to start. Okay, day wise schedule. I will get back to it, Yamini. That's a good idea. We will give you about it. But entire list of activities that you will do and list of topics that you will learn, everything they will give you, Yamini. Vaidurya, why to change the timing of classes? Because all students come back home and 6:30 is the time that after, if they are working, if they have to go to college, 6:30 is when they are back home. That is why we start at 6:30. Yes, full stack Java, full stack Python. Either we will use Java for full stack or Python for full stack. Any of these three you can select. Akanksha, which part I should repeat? I don't know now. MATLAB is useful for ECE students. Might be, I'm not sure, Krishna. Is there any need to buy components while doing project in VLSI? No. Yagnesh, for VLSI is completely software, no need of any components. How to build a profile in TaPTaP? That's what they will show you now. So don't worry if you have taken two courses. Most possibly they will be in alternate days. One day you can attend that, one day you can attend this. But in case both of them unfortunately fall on the same day, you will have to, one thing you will have to follow in recorded sessions. Assessment score is mandatory. It's good to have Bisel. Why are you so worried about it? Have it. So, what is the harm? Recording sessions are there, Deepika. They'll give you link of it. They'll give you lesson plan, and every day after you complete your YouTube, after the session, they will give the link to the video. After every day after the session, probably in 1 2 hours, they will put it in the LMS in TaPTaP. How many months is the total duration? 4 months. Is taking test essential before the course? Dhruv, please take. Okay, Vivo, I'll look at it. Okay, BSale, as I said, whatever your college needs, we will be helping you with that. If it is March 15th, then yes. Okay, Saika Reddy, Hemant will be showing you how to access it. Can't find syllabus. Ram, can you please see cybersecurity and Gen AI is one course, it seems, and that syllabus is not there, it seems. Vaidurya, I think in a half an hour, please miss the class. But it is difficult, Vaidurya. So many students are there, right? They have to come home and start. Huh? Is the project in the VLSA courses major one or minor one? Major only, no. This is a long-term major project. I've enrolled in generative AI and cybersecurity, but can't find. Okay, everybody has the same question. We'll look into it. PPT and other resources, you will have Krishna. No, it won't. Assessments, Roja, assessment doesn't affect your certificate. Okay, as I said, you can attend you can attend the classes if they fall on alternate days. But if they are on the same day, you will have one thing, you will have to see recorded class. All right. Okay. Thank you for all the questions. Hemant will take it forward from here. He will show you how to log into the system. Okay. Venkatesh,
Yeah,
UI UX design course also didn't start, right? They will give the dates. Okay, guys. Over to you, Hemant. Please show the
yeah,
TaPTaP how to log in, and possibly you have noted all their questions. Please show how to log in, and any questions they have, please see.
yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so firstly, sorry guys,
Students,
so there was an error. Yeah, okay, firstly, I'll just share my screen so that my screen gets visible to you. So you can just ping me in the chat whether my screen is visible first. Okay, if visible, just put in a chat that it's visible so that I'll just proceed.
yes, it is visible.
Yeah, thank you guys. So, okay. Firstly, you will get a link regarding your test. Okay. So you'll be like getting your link through WhatsApp. Okay. Like this message will be like getting it firstly. Okay. You should click on this link first. So it will be like redirected to one page. Okay. So already you are an existing user. Then you can go with continue with Google if your like Gmail account you have entered in it, or you have like registered and with the like passwords and all, you can use email address and then you can enter your password manually and then you can log in. Okay, or else if you have your registered using your mobile number, you can use with login with mobile number. So firstly I will show you how to register for the new users. Okay, so below the login button you can see if you don't have an account, you have a register now option. Okay, firstly you have to click on this register now option. It will ask you for an email id. Okay, see, for when you're registering, you should not give your already registered email address, so it will not accept. So you should be like a new exist, not an existing user. You should be a new user. Then only you can proceed with register now. Okay, so I'll just type my email ID. Okay, so first you need to type your email ID and then you will be like authenticated with your one-time password. Okay, you will be like send a one-time password to your email. You have to check out. So it is 833740. So you have to enter the 6-digit OTP pin. Okay, after registering it, you will be like taken to your profile section. Okay, in this, every field is mandatory. You have to fill each and every field in this. So you should not skip any of the field. And please make sure your email is not existed in the TaPTaP site and even your phone number. It should not be existed in it. Otherwise, it will throw back to you to like you are already an existing user. So make sure you don't do that. So first enter your name in it. Okay. Suppose for phone number. Okay, so after entering the phone number, you have to choose which college you are from. So suppose you can choose whichever the college you are from. So I'll just choose from college and then
One
just,
question is, Hemant, if student college number is not listed, what should they do?
yeah. Okay, so if your college name is not listed, you can choose others. Okay, so others options will be there. You can choose other option in it. So if your college name or the university name which is not available, as mentioned here also you can see. So you read out each and every fields when you're filling it carefully. So this is very important when you're registering it. So when you are not like your college name is not available, you have to fill with others and then mention your student like student ID. So you'll get an ID numbers and all those things. So mention that student ID. Okay, so that like you can register yourself. So make sure even the student ID should not be like registered in the TaPTaP. Okay. So if you have registered already with the student ID, then it will throw back to you. You are an existing user. Okay. So make sure student ID, phone number, and the email address. Three should be unique values. So no like duplicate, like same repeated values. You should not reuse it. Okay. So and then you have to give a password for your TaPTaP. Okay, suppose I'll just give one password. So make sure here you can see it should be at least one uppercase should be there. Okay, and one symbol should be there. So and then at least 8 characters you should have. At least one number. So this all fields should be like correct. Then only your password will get accepted. Okay. So if you can see when both password matches with equal number of strings or like number of values you have entered in the password section as well as the retype password. So if I miss one value, it will show you password do not match and you cannot submit the form. Okay. So make sure you give the password correctly in the first as well as the re-enter type also. Okay.
Hemant, there is a question.
Yeah.
Can't we use old mail again? They are
Yeah,
already
ma'am,
short.
I'll come after like registering. Okay. If you
Okay.
are already like, existed and user, then I'll come with after registering yourself. So first I'll show you how the new user exists, like register. After that I'll come. So here you have to choose your degree. So which degree you belongs to, actually BTech, BTech, BSc, also. You can choose your degree forms here. Okay. So same thing. So and then after filling out all those details, check once whether this is field is correct with your existing one, like your things, like your unique values are there or not. So make sure your phone number should be correct. No, and then don't miss out single values also. Then after coming and after you are logging in with your that phone number, it will show you some error like you are not registered yourself. So make sure you give all the 10 digits and make sure the 10 digits is correct. Okay. And then the student ID. Make sure your student ID is also correct. After like when you come and edit, you don't tell like it's not like getting edited because these all are the unique values which is very important to a student. So make sure this ID is on this phone number and email ID. Make sure it is unique. Then only you will get into registrations. Okay, once you click on submit, it will take you to a dashboard. Okay. So here you can see this is a dashboard. So when you receive after completing the registrations, you will have to set up your educational details here. Okay. So maybe like which branch you are currently. So whether you're CSE, whether you're CSE, AML, all those branches, you can see AML, whether you're cloud computing, IoT or edge computing, big data, DS, data science, all branches will be like available here. So you have to choose according to which branch you are. Okay, and then you can select it. So and then like which is your end year, suppose like 2025 or 2026 your graduation year, you can keep it here. So and then you have to submit all your record fields. Okay, suppose your graduation percentage, still now you can keep it. Okay, suppose you have like 90 percentage, make sure it is in the percentage. Don't make it out in the CGPA wise. Okay, convert the CGPA into percentage, then make sure you keep it the percentage values. And your 10th percentage also, make sure if it is in CGPA, then change it to percentage. Okay, and then your 12th percentage. Once you complete these details, then only you can enter into this area. Okay, the backside, which is like available, the dashboard and all those things. Okay, so once it is done, you can click on submit. Okay, as you can see, I have entered the test. So okay, this is the test which the link which was shared in the WhatsApp. So now I just directly after registering I came to it. So this is how I will I register. So any doubt in the register process? Only register process. I'll come to the old mail. Any doubt? If you guys have any doubt, we're in branch block because was not showing. What should we do? I didn't understand your question. Someone real me. Branch block because what was not showing means after entering in details in the login page, it shows user phone number already exists. Okay. Okay.
Okay, his question
So
is uh, in branch BZC, he belongs to BZC branch.
okay.
So in
So
branch BZC is not shown. Is there any others or something like that?
yeah, others will be there.
Mm.
So So here in this educational field, you can edit afterwards also. If your branch is not there, you can edit with others. Okay. So everything will have an option of others. So is there any doubt regarding this register now alone? Register now alone. Please ping me if you have any doubt regarding the register now. You new user register form.
So not graduated yet. So what should I put as my percentage?
Yeah, that's what like till now, what is your percentage? Till your third year, you will get a percentage, right? Like CGPA. Convert that CGPA into percentage. So it is like not only your graduation percentage you have to put till now, what is your percentage? You can use that.
English in college option, there is others. He just showed how to put others. There is
Yeah,
type
there is another.
OTH. You will get.
So in the register now, when you're doing in the below college, you can see if your college name is not found, please mention others will be mentioned below that block of that form. Okay, so make sure you read out all those statements correctly first while you're filling any form. Make sure you read the emails like what is written below the block also. Okay, there will be like please note will be there below everything, so make sure you note that. Okay, so I guess for the register now there is no doubt, so I'll just log out myself and I'll tell you how to log in. So as you can see now, it is showing I can log in with Gmail. I can log in with my email address. I can log in with my phone. So I'll show you how you guys can log in with your Gmail. I just set it like now my password and all those things, right? So if I put this one, sorry. So you should type your password and the email ID correct while you are registering your email address. Okay. So you can log in now. So it will get login, which the account which I have created right now, I have logged in using it. So like this also you can create, okay. So some of the people are facing that issue, which I read in the comment section was they're like getting that already their users are existing, right? So already the Gmails and all those things are existing. So in that time, what you can do, down you can see the forgot password, right? So if your email is already existing, click on the forgot password. Okay, and then enter the registered email ID here. Okay, Okay, now I'm just resetting my password with one authentication. I have to send OTP to this. So I have to receive the OTP. Okay, once you receive your OTP, you need to verify it. Okay, so after verifying it, you have to retype your password. That is not the old password. Type somewhat different from your old password if you don't remember also. Okay, so suppose to make sure these fields are getting correct. Okay, so it should have one uppercase at least, one symbol at least 8 characters you should have, at least one number you should have. Then only you can set up your password. Okay, so after all doing that, you can click on reset password. Okay, your password will be resetted. Okay, after resetting your passwords, again you can just log in with the email ID which you have changed, and suppose yeah. Great English. Okay, now I have just resetted my password with existing user. It was showing that my email ID is existing, so I changed my password and I'm logging it. Okay, likewise you can log in using this. Okay, so is that clear? Already the existing user problem who are all facing. You can just reset your password and then you can log in again. So is that clear? Has anyone tried right now with logging in with the password, resetting the password? Is that clear or you face any issues till
Looks
now?
like somebody is logging in with new email ID, but they have
Okay.
old phone number. So it says phone number already exists.
Yeah, in that case, you have to like already you have registered with old email and you're entering the new email in the sense like you have to put old email and get the OTP, and then you have to change the phone number, or you can edit the email address inside the my profiles. Okay, so okay, it's clear is telling how to access the course. Okay, I'll just come one by one. First, I'll enter into the test. So, is there any other issue facing any different issues in the login page? Let's complete the login page first. After that, we'll enter step by step so that everyone's issue will be get resolved. It's not about login issue with old email, only is the test link are available in that account. Okay, so your old email has the test links in the old account. So, so you don't have your old email right now with you? I don't know your name. Actually, it's written Vivo. So can I use continue with Google option for login? Yeah, you can use continue with Google option if you have already registered. Okay. If you're already an existing user with that email, you can start using with Google option or like with the phone number below. If I open the test link which was sent by you. Okay, after opening what it is redirecting to the old account. Okay, so yeah, the old account will be like worked on. It is working on. So once it is done, you will be like new account will be like shown. Okay. So actually the sheet has been shared actually. Yeah. So you can check out the sheet and fill what is the email you want to change right now so that it will be changed by our team. Okay. Make sure you get the sheet now. They'll send you in the chat. Okay, fill out the sheets. So no. So whichever whichever the email you are facing issue, okay, the old email, you will receive a Google form in the chat. Please fill the form. Okay, our team will convert into your new email. Okay, mention the emails which you want also. So if you face that your email is existing, can you reset the password and use if you are like that is your new email? Please log in and reset your password. Get the OTP. How I showed you the process right now. So your email for short term and long term is same. So you can continue with the same email. So it's not an issue. You can go with your same email. Yeah, it will be like automatically updated. So I guess you have not written the test well. So like once you have complete the test, it will be like automatically scores will get updated. Make sure you write the test correctly. Yeah, the TaPTaP link is already like you have given in the test link, right? That is like the TaPTaP link which taken to your exam portal directly. You can access the TaPTaP over there. Yeah, that's what your user phone number is already existing. Then you have to check out your email, which email you have entered. Have you have any remembrance, like which email you have registered with that phone number? So Reddy Prasad, can give me registration link, which registration link you are asking? Can you specify it? Yeah, have you received in WhatsApp? Can you check the test link, the test link which was shared by our team? You can view your test link over there, and once you click on the test link, you will get the registration links over there. Okay. So for your you have changed your email, but the phone number already exists. So we have shared the already the form actually. So make sure you fill the Google form with what is the email and the registered phone number which you want to make it in your new email. Okay. Put the old email as well as the new email in the Google form. You will get it. Yeah, Gmail change form will update like it's been updated. I'll tell my team to update down now also. Okay. Okay, Reddy Prasad, like we'll share you the WhatsApp link below. Those who have not joined the WhatsApp group, please look in the chat. We'll give you the link over there. Okay, I'll share the TapTap link also in the here. Okay. So this is the TapTap link where you can register. So how I showed you how to register, please follow those process. Then only you can register. So if you have the old email and already exist issues and you want to change the phone number or email, please fill the Google form which has been sent by our team. Sir, these questions are not belongs to my stream. Hari Josna, like what actually we are going on with registration forms only. We are not still came there. So my TapTap profile is not updated to showing my short-term internship course. Yeah, it will get updated.
Harijyotsna, so they will send two links. One is for coding students, another for non-coding students. So you choose non-coding students thing for your assessment. Okay.
Okay, after entering details in the login page, it shows user phone number already exists. So I guess you're using any new email. Hi Karthik, if you're using any new email, please make sure if you don't remember your old email, please make sure you fill the Google form, the like which we have mentioned in the chat. Make sure you put your old email as well as the new email which you want to change so that like it will be like resolved. Okay. Actually, WhatsApp group and registration link has been shared. Okay. Am I audible right now?
Yes, you're
Yeah,
audible.
okay. Yeah, thank you. So Reddy Prasad, you can't able to join the group. Is it like showing? Okay. In,
So anybody who is asking for link in your WhatsApp groups, they will post TapTap. The
yeah.
assessment link they will post.
So for who and all asking TapTap link, check. Oh, I have just pasted the TapTap link in the okay.
So, Sasidhar, keep your short-term internship course like that only. Why do you want to remove it? Is your course? It can be in your profile. So the new course also will be updated. So you will have two courses. Don't worry about it, Sasidhar.
This is the another group. If the group is full, you can access this WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. Make sure you join this group. If this group is full, just tell me. Okay. In processing of reset password, it shows invalid email. Make sure you type the correct email. So make sure you type gmail.com. You may miss a dot or like at the rate. So there will be a spell mistake also. Make sure you keep the correct email. So if you have like anything, you can see whatever the issues you are facing right now. You just mention in the chat. Okay, sorry, the form. Mistake, actually, I am in 8th semester but entered 4th semester. So is actually it is not any mistake. So if you want to change, here you can see at the right top corner below my, you can see the my profile, right? Click on the my profile. You can access to all the edit options here. Okay, once it gets loaded, you can access all the edit options here. If you want to edit your education details, experience, and then if you want to edit your current semesters and all those things, you can just edit over here. Okay, whatever the details you want to change, you can edit it here in the edit options. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I guess the issue has been resolved. So if you are joining with any other old email and converting to new email and all, please update the Google form with what the issue you are facing. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So let me head towards the test sections. Okay, so once I'll just log out myself. Okay. So this is how you will get the test link actually in a WhatsApp group. So make sure you enter this test link and then make sure you log in with a correct email. If you're already an existing user, like with that email, you can continue with Google. And if you're like no, you can log in with your passwords and all, or phone number also. Same thing. So make sure you do it correctly. Okay. Once you log in, it will directly take you to the test. This is the test, as you can see. If it is not navigating you directly to the test, as you can see in the left hand side, you can see the prepare option. Below the prepare option by company wise will be there. Okay, here you can see the test 1 and test 2. Okay, whichever the test which is available for you in the WhatsApp message, please note the test name. Okay, if you are not finding like the test link here somewhere, if you are confused or like don't know where to find, please check out where is the what is the test name first. Don't try to write the same test again. So anyhow, it will not be like available. So make sure you read the test name first. So if it is like Infosys practice test number 2, Infosys practice test number 1, make sure you do that correctly. So play whenever you're giving a test, make sure you all read the description. Okay, what and all the description we have mentioned here. Suppose what all the portions it is covering. So as you can see, we are giving quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, and verbal ability, and coding and programming. Okay, this is for the like tech. So you'll be like given all those 4 sections. Once you read all those things, what are all the topics you are getting. So make sure you click on the register button. So once you click on the register button, it will pop up with successful registered with a message. Okay, you can click on OK. So as you can see, these are the tests once you complete and you can take out. So these are the quantitative aptitude. Okay, so if you click on this quantitative aptitude, you will be like taken to the test page. Okay, so make sure you read all the questions and keep a rough page or rough note beside you to work out on those problems if it is an aptitude problem. And if you want to, if you're performing any coding sections or all those things, keep a rough note and then you can make a logic building of the coding and the code, and then you can try to write the pseudo code and then you can do it. Okay, so whichever the options you are selecting, make sure it is correct. Don't if you click on double options and all, it will not work anyhow. So make sure you click on don't click in the middle. So don't click like here. Okay, like outside this. Okay, make sure you click somewhere inside this region, inside this block. Okay, so don't click outside anywhere, it will not work. And then you can't like go to the next question like previous questions. Okay, so this is a next question, like you can just type out here and you can toggle between the previous questions also and toggle between the questions also. You can attempt anything. Okay, so as you can see above, the timing is going on. This test is of like 35 minutes or 40 minutes. So make sure you see the timer first and make sure you complete how many questions are there. Suppose there are like 10 questions. 10 questions, you calculate each question how many minutes I can complete. So make sure like one question like you take 4 minutes or 3.5 minutes. Okay. Make sure you complete within the time. Okay. If the time exits, the test will get end. Okay. And make sure you don't toggle to next tab. Okay. Suppose you are like toggling to some other tab like this, it will throw you an error. Okay. This like and then like if you are redoing it again and again, it will throw you out of the test. Okay. Make sure you do all those tests correctly and make sure you don't toggle out of the web page. Okay. And make sure you choose the correct options. Okay. So like this. So once the test is completed, you can select the enroll button. Okay. If you select the enroll, it will take you to the next round. Okay. You will get an option. Okay. And then you will be like round is successfully completed, and then you will go to the next round. Again, the thing is you should check the timer because each section may have different timings. Okay. You check all those timings, and if you're calculating all those questions with time, suppose like 35 minutes, 10 questions, you have to complete like 3.5 minutes each question. So make sure you complete all the questions by time. Okay. So and then like once it is done, you can just click to the next round.
1 second, Praveen has been continuously posting. Praveen, whether it's long term or short term, is not seen yet, so you will not see. Do not worry. When the course starts, you will get course link, and from that time, it will be updated. Okay. Okay. Please continue, Hemant.
Yeah. Yeah. This test is mandatory or not? Yeah, actually, ma'am has told in the starting of the session, this test is very mandatory. You have to take out this test. Okay. So make sure you take all those tests. Okay. It is very helpful for your career also. So once it is done, you can go to the next section also. Okay. So just type and then like you can end the round. So I'll tell you how to do the coding round also. So we have like two questions. Check the timing again. It is of 45 minutes. Separate the timing according to it. So we have certain languages also. Whichever the language you are familiar with, okay, which you have strong skills in those languages, you can choose those language and you can start writing it. Suppose like Java, Python, C++, C is there. If you are like apart from this, you have like Dart is there, Rust program is there, and then Golang is there, and then you can go with Fortran. Okay, all those languages we have with it. So you make sure you whichever the language you know, you just start working on it. Okay, so firstly, whenever you're attending a coding question, try to read the problem statement correctly. Don't check the input format as well as the output format and start doing the test. Okay, so first you have to check what is the variable it has been we have allocated. Okay, suppose we have given n is equal to size of an array, then you have to mention n is equal to size of array only. You should not mention with n is equal to array of this thing. Okay, and then you have to just change it. So this is the input format and output format. Please make sure you look into it. Okay, so once after completing you feel that the code is correct, you can perform your test here also. Suppose like 2 3 1, and then like you can check out with the sample output also. Okay, once it is done, you can check out here everything. You can check and run. Okay, so whatever the output, suppose like I print hello world, so it is printing hello here. So if your code is written, you can give the input here and check whether you are getting the correct output. Then you can click on compile and run. Okay, and then you have to check out whether you get the exact output, then only you will get run there. Okay, otherwise it will not run. So make sure you get the exact output. Okay, so once it is done, you can click on submit button. So if you submit, the code will get submitted. Okay, and then you can click on save and next. Okay, so it is also the same thing. You have to like print in Boolean. So try to get the correct output, whatever the output you are facing. If any issues in output, you can check with custom input. Okay, so this is how. So for the class, they will send you a link or like whatever the things we posted in the WhatsApp group. Make sure you be updated with the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay, so for non-coding, you will get a non-coding because like the coding platform will be like removed and like rest view three will get updated. Okay, you have to do the test rest three, that is aptitude, verbal, and quantitative. Okay, you will get the link separately. Okay, so any doubt regarding the test? You guys faced any issue recently when you like attempted the test yesterday? Any issues you faced? Any other thing you want to know? So if you have completed the test, then you can just leave it. You will get the scores updated. Okay.
Hemant, will they get a learning plan based on their test, or how is it? Automatic learning plan is coming for this test. Can you find out
Yeah, ma'am. Like I'll find like till we don't have only the test, so automated learning plan will not be available for this.
for this test? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, students, for next time onwards, you will get an automated learning plan for the next time, next test onwards. Okay, and I wrote employability test. Is it Infosys test? Okay, people are also helping for Infosys test. You will get that also. Infosys test link also you will get. Okay, and when I know change Gmail working. Okay, so for students who are non-coding, today they will post two links, coding link, non-coding link. Please complete that non-coding link if you are from BZC or any other stream. So Mohammad Arshad, this writing test for non-coding students for your course, I know it will be only theoretical questions. We cannot test online any core things, so it is difficult. You take non-coding test in case you are not good at coding or you don't like coding, not interested in coding, you take a non-coding test.
Okay, non-coding test link will be like separately will send. Okay.
In WhatsApp group, they will post location.
Yeah, in WhatsApp group you will get the message. Please be updated in the WhatsApp group. So everything will be shared in the WhatsApp group only. Okay. So any other issues you are facing apart from this? Yeah, okay. Any other guys? Any issue you faced in coding test or like any aptitude test? Okay.
Reddy Prasad, in WhatsApp group, they will again send you TaPTaP test. When you click on the test, it will automatically take you to registration. After you register, you can write the test. After you register, if the test doesn't pop up, go back to the link and click on it. You will go to the register to the test. Okay. Don't worry, actually, Reddy Prasad. You just have to click on the links that they post in WhatsApp group. When I get changed Gmail ID. It will take time, Charan Kumar. Probably you have to give till tomorrow afternoon. They will change and give your Gmail change your Gmail IDs. Psycha same thing. They will post TaPTaP link and you can access, click on it and register. That's how you access. About the course, because whenever your course starts, that is the time you will get course links. Till that particular time, you will not have course link. So do not search for the course link at the moment. Charan Kumar and Srinath. Yeah. Krish, I have to check if this particular test has answers. Usually our tests have a learning plan also. Automatic learning plan will be generated and you can learn. So I will just check from next time onwards you have answers, and you can take the learning plan also. Reddy Prasad, I'm not sure. Hemant, can you check if MATLAB course is not there or not? He's asking.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'll check. So your
No,
syllabus
no,
will be
Hanish,
updated in the WhatsApp
TaPTaP
group.
registration is once, Hanish. After that, every time you will automatically log in with your username password. If you logged in with your Gmail, and Gmail is you can log in with Gmail every time. You don't need to even enter your password.
So once you log in, after that, try to save the password. Okay, it will be like automatically saved. So anyhow, you try to save the password so that like you don't miss your credentials. Okay.
Psychology, you choose what you want. You can choose no coding assessment. If you are not confident about coding, choose no coding assessment.
So
Okay.
Pravalika, like you today no assessments has been sent. Like tomorrow onwards, if you get the assessment, you have to attempt those things. Okay, now there is no assessments.
And finally, Reddy Prasad, if you have done the payment and did not get offer letter, you just send a mail or fill that form. They will send to you immediately. Okay, by give time till tomorrow afternoon, they will send to you. So in the group where you are, two links you will get: coding option, non-coding option. Just keep looking for on your WhatsApp. Please check. They will post today or tomorrow morning.
So make sure when the link comes, make sure you read the WhatsApp message carefully, whether it is for the coding or the non-coding. So don't attempt like coding guys. Don't attempt the non-coding platform until like we didn't get the coding questions. Make sure you read the WhatsApp properly.
So Reddy Prasad, there is no last date of the test. Please take it some point of time. If you want to change the domain, we have been continuously posting the form. Please fill the form for your change of domain. And Shiny, what is PGIST band? It is graduate employability standardized test. Because you are still not ready for just band and just to score, this is preliminary just. Okay. Graduate employability test related band and graduate employability test related score. So if you directly write the test, you will get less marks. That's why we have put preliminary test. Okay.
So okay guys, I guess everyone's issue has been resolved. So the test or assessment are not same for everyone. It is separate for coding and non-coding. Yes, it is separate. Okay. Make sure you'll get updated in the WhatsApp group. Make sure you read the WhatsApp message properly. Okay. Don't whenever you get the link, don't click and directly go get into it. Okay. We'll mention in the test also. This is for non-coding and this is for coding. Make sure you check the ideas properly. So syllabus will be updated shortly in the WhatsApp group. Okay, make sure you get the syllabus. All syllabus will be updated. Okay, so you'll get all the syllabuses in the WhatsApp group.
So this
Okay,
is for your benefit, students. Please take the test. It is for your benefit. There is no harm. Nobody is going to judge you based on that. You will only able to see what are your strengths and where you have to improve. It is for your own benefit. If you don't write, nobody will penalize also. That is fine, but it is good if you write. Please try. Nobody is going to judge you on it uh, or penalize you. You will not get less marks in your internship, nothing like that, okay? All right. So, secondly, students, if any of your classmates are still looking for internships, please let them know that here is something that will help them. Okay. And you'll also have friends in the same, doing their internships from the same company. So, please help your friends and promote this one to your friends. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Do not worry if you have any questions. We will be having these live questions once in a while, probably every 2 to 3 days. Until you settle, we will be having one session, these live question and answer sessions. And don't worry about it. But tomorrow onwards, AIML data science will start. For other students, we will be posting the calendar shortly. We will be sending the syllabus shortly. And also, we will be posting coding and non coding links separately. Just be noticing what is happening in your WhatsApp group, and you will be able to understand everything slowly. Okay. Can we get recorded classes? Annapredi will you will get all recorded classes. The once the course starts, you will get a learning plan link, and all your classes will be there on the learning plan. Okay, you definitely have a bonus for referral for friends. You will be able to earn it if you are really interested. If you are really interested in it, you will have to type reply to reply to the admin, and they will let you know what bonus you will have. But definitely you will have bonus. Psychoreddy, if you choose, say for example, full stack, how can you have non-coding? If you don't want coding, you will have to choose something else. Like there are project management and courses like that. That you have to choose. If you have chosen full stack, then you have to code. Harijotsna, everyday classes, they will put a link in the WhatsApp group. In the morning, again, they'll put a reminder just before the class. You click on the link and you will go to the class, like Zoom link. Today, yeah, they have put, no, just like that, they will put. Yeah, full stack development and Python full stack development means there is Java full stack and there is Python full stack. Depending on what you have chosen, they will teach the same thing. Praveen, why don't you refer from now? You will also, there are only two referrals. There are so many students. Okay, you refer other people and gain bonuses. AIML is coding or non-coding? There is little bit of coding. Don't worry about it because Python is so easy, drag and drop. So it is not so much of coding that you write. You need to remember syntax. All that is not there. It is very easy when it comes to AIML coding. It is just drag and drop using Python. Vaiduria, that's a good idea, Vaiduria. We will do that. I will tell the team. We will discuss and do that actually. That was a good idea to separate groups based on domain. Ready Prasad will do shortly. This thing is a good idea. Let's do that. There are so many courses links sent separately, madam. Lokesh, I didn't understand question. Only full stack development only there while I'm registering other than full stack Java. You register to full stack, don't worry, and then you can choose what you want, Python or Java. Srinath. For different domains for misunderstanding. That's a good idea, Ignish. Other people also told that we will be doing that. We'll just discuss with the team and probably based on that, we will do that. Okay, Vaiduria, that makes sense. Channel is there, Reddy Prasad. You have to follow. For yeah, Ram, please also post channel link so that the students will know certain information there. AI and ML course, Praveen, is easy. I mean, in the sense there is not much of coding in that. There is Python, but that is easy. Okay, guys. Thank you. All of you have a lot of questions. Hope you have this enthusiasm till the end. Please attend all the classes and learn very well. Because, as I said, after your college, if you go outside and join such a course, they will charge thousands and thousands. So please join this and make the best of it. Okay, thank you. Okay,
Thank you,
Pavan
guys.
Kumar, UI UX also they will post in the group. Please wait for it. Canvas designing is an exciting one, Lokesh. Probably I will teach canvas designing. Thank you. Thanks, everyone. Bye.